Hey there, MI and NoGuard team members. I'm Matt DeSoto, our CEO, and this is episode 21 of a series that I'm calling We're in This Together. And in this message, I want to talk about our vision statement, the vision for MI and NoGuard. And it's quite simple. It is to build the most valuable brand in the fenestration industry. So I want to take some time to expand on a few of the words within our vision statement. And the first two are valuable brand and what that means to all of the stakeholders of MI and NoGuard. And the first stakeholder I want to talk about, it's us as team members. What does valuable brand mean to us? And I like to put it like this, that for us, MI and NoGuard, it's the vehicle to help us accomplish our goals. Whether it be a personal goal, a family goal, whatever it is we want to do in life, MI and NoGuard should be the vehicle to help us get there. That's what it means to us. Now, what does valuable brand mean to our customers? And the way I think about that is, our brand needs to drive really good profits for our customers. We need to be a very, very consistent and high-performing contributor to our customers' profit. And we do this by creating really trusted relationships with our customers, and we do a lot of things to make sure that our customers know how much we appreciate them, that we drive value in every aspect of how we do business, and our customers see that in their results. Now, what does valuable brand mean to our suppliers? It means that our suppliers enjoy doing business with us, that they profit from doing business with us. And because of this, they're excited to provide us with their capacities. They want to bring new innovations to us. They want to share new ideas and concepts with us. That's what it means to our suppliers. And what does valuable brand mean to our communities? I think it means that our communities are really proud of the fact that we're operating there because they know how thankful and proud we are to be there. That they look at MI and NoGuard and they know that we contribute. They know that we contribute economically. They know that we contribute with our time. And they can see that we care. That's what valuable brand means to our communities. And so I think it's really important, that we all understand that there are so many people that would define what valuable brand means to them. Now, the other word inside this vision statement is fenestration. And we chose fenestration very deliberately because we could have easily said we wanted to build the most valuable brand in the window and door industry. But instead we chose to say we wanted to build the most valuable brand in the fenestration industry. And what that really means is, it's the window geek in all of us. Fenestration is a heck of a lot more geekish word than what window and door would be. So that's really where that one comes from. It's the love of windows and doors coming out in our vision statement. And so while our vision is very simple in what it calls out and the number of words that it has, I hope you can tell by now that it has tremendous meaning. And we are very much on the path to accomplishing this vision. And we're doing that together. I do look forward to catching up with you again soon. In the meantime, be smart, stay safe, and remain confident. We are one day closer. Thanks for everything.